Alright, this is a special one.
It's so light, man, you're gonna want to wait. Oh yeah, perfect. We're close to 40 bikes. All right. Man, what a day. Beautiful. Holy shit.
Because I saw everybody go like this, so I kept going.
This looks like the dirtbag table. This is the dirtbag table? What's up, Mr. E?
What up, my bro? Butch was with us.
Salud.
Butch was with you guys?
Oh, it's Staten Island.
Cheers, Cam. What do you got? Nothing? What the fuck? Cheers, Cam. All right, the phone, the Corona. What is that? What do you got in here? What do you got in here? Yo! Cheers, Cam. Boom!
Congratulations. Make sure that you all keep up on Instagram, tag us in any videos you got. Drive safe.
Nice job, you piece of shit. JB360, baby. Cheers. How's the burger? Burger good?
Look at that bite. Look at that bite. Look at that bite.
Deep throat that burger. Fucking Greaser James. Greaser James. Look at these bikes, man. Holy shit. What a squad today, man. What a squad.